Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this smoky eye look. So if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So I wanted to do a smoky eye today, and I wanted to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for that. My eyes are already primed with concealer and powder, and first I want to go in with a base for the eyeshadow. And for that I'm going to use this. It's the Ulta Beauty Eyeliner and Shadow Crayon. I'm not sure what shade this is in. I got this in one of the advent calendars. But it's this pretty bronzy brown color. It has a little bit of like a metallic reflect to it. So any product that you have like that will work. Like a cream eyeshadow or like another pencil eyeliner or something. So I'm going to focus this on the lid, mainly at the lash line, and then blending up. And to blend, I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush. So next I'm going to go in with the palette, and I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange right here, and I'm going to take that on my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to run that into my crease over where that pencil is. Next on my Morphe B79 brush, I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda right here, and I'm going to blend out the burnt orange shade with that. Okay, you could leave the look like this with just the cream or pencil on the lid, but I'm going to take the shade right here, Rustic, and I'm going to take that on a shader brush. This is one of the brushes that came in the palette, so I'm going to take that on the flat side, and I'm going to pack it onto where I put that pencil liner. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the burnt orange and the orange soda shades and just do some more blending. Okay, now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 5 brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges out just to make sure everything is seamless. Okay, so that's the eyes for now. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera just because my routine and my products are pretty much all the same, and that gets boring and repetitive after a while. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back for like mascara, eyeliner, lashes, and then my lower lash line. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Expert Liquid Liner in the shade Jet Black, and I'm just gonna do a small line of this across my lash line. I'm not gonna do like a wing or anything. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and this is just the eyelash curler from Revlon. Next for mascara, I'm going to try this out. This is from Bobbi Brown. It's the Eye Opening Mascara. For false lashes today, I'm going to use Noir Fairy Mini from House of Lashes. I'm going to finish off my eyes by doing my lower lash line. First, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty eyeliner and shadow crayon again, and I'm going to run this in my waterline and put it a little bit on my lower lash line too. Next, I'm going to go back in with the shade Rustic, and I'm going to take the same brush I used that on and start to smudge that brown color out. And next, I'm going to mix the shades Burnt Orange and Orange Soda together on the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8 brush and blend out that brown shade. And now to highlight my inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take the BECCA Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone and just highlight my inner corner. I'm also going to put some mascara on my lower lashes, and for that I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So that was the finished eye look. If you're interested in any of the other products that I used on my face, they'll most likely be listed on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out and that you're following me on there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.